20 gorgeous short hairstyles for Black women. Many women hesitate to cut their hair short, fearing it might not feel feminine, but that's far from the truth. If you've been unsure about making the big chop, this list may just change your perspective. Short hair can be just as bold, stylish, and elegant as long locks. Here are 20 stunning short hairstyles for Black women that will have you ready to embrace a new look. 1. Curly Fauxhawk Pixie. A shortcut is a perfect way to express your personal style. Looking for something edgy yet still soft and feminine? These defined curls offer a beautiful balance. Instead of shaving the sides, try sleek finger waves for a vintage touch. Keep curls well hydrated and bouncy with a good curl cream. 2. Tapered Pixie Bob with layers. Short hair creates an excellent canvas for playing with color. Try a vibrant hue like deep red, which pops beautifully against darker roots. A pixie bob is already a statement on its own, but adding bold color takes it to the next level. Regular deep conditioning will keep color-treated hair healthy and strong. 3. Soft textured pixie with bangs. Short styles offer incredible versatility, and a layered pixie with bangs is proof of that. This look enhances your facial features while giving your hair a modern edge. A leave-in conditioner adds moisture and shine, bringing out the best in this chic cut. 4. Tapered crop with copper highlights. Short hairstyles often exude confidence, and this tapered cut with highlights is no exception. The addition of warm copper tones adds dimension, while large curls give the style extra volume. Use a smoothing serum to keep frizz at bay, and wrap your hair in a satin scarf at night to maintain its vibrancy. 5. Classic Curly Pixie Cut. This timeless pixie keeps things neat and sophisticated while highlighting your natural texture. It's an elegant and refined choice that's easy to maintain. 6. Layered pixie with bright copper tea tones. Short hair doesn't have to be simple. Have fun with it. A fiery copper or red-orange hue can make your cut stand out. Bright, bold colors showcase personality while adding vibrance to your style. 7. Platinum Pixie with feathered crown. If you've always wanted to try blonde hair, a shortcut is a great way to experiment. This platinum pixie, complete with feathered layers for volume, creates a striking and glamorous effect. Since lightening hair can cause dryness, be sure to use hydrating treatments and protein masks to keep strands strong. 8. Angled Maroon Pixie Cut. This playful cut, featuring a rich maroon hue, is both unique and flattering. The tapered shape enhances thick hair, creating a sleek and modern silhouette. Regular trims will keep the shape crisp, and color-safe products will preserve the richness of the hue. 9. Rosewood Ombre Crop. Ditch subtle highlights and go for something bolder. A rosewood ombre is a stunning option that beautifully complements deeper skin tones. Adding a side-swept bang gives the look an air of mystery. To maintain the vibrancy of ombre shades, opt for sulfate-free shampoos and limit heat styling. 10. Layered Pixie with blonde highlights. This cut stands out with its depth and texture. Warm blonde highlights on a chocolate brown base create a youthful and stylish contrast. For those with fine hair, using a volumizing shampoo and lightweight styling mousse can add lift and fullness. 11. Edgy textured pixie cut. For a bolder look, this cut features sharp angles and a defined shape around the ears and nape. Choppy layers give it dimension and a dramatic edge. Keeping the look sharp requires frequent trims and a strong hold styling product. 12. Curly pixie with soft layers. A short curly style can be incredibly elegant and low maintenance. This modern pixie enhances natural curls while adding definition and bounce. Use a curl mousse and a satin bonnet at night to keep curls fresh and frizz-free. 13. Pixie cut for fine hair. Short hair can add the illusion of thickness to finer strands. This simple yet elegant pixie makes thin hair appear fuller, especially when styled with volumizing foam. Light scalp massages with essential oils can also promote healthier hair growth over time. 14. Side swept pixie with long layers. One of the best things about natural hair is its versatility. Wear it curly for volume or straighten it for a sleek, polished look. Keeping hair healthy between heat styling sessions ensures it remains strong and damage-free. 15. Classic side-parted Pixie Bob. Short styles can be just as stylish as longer ones. This Pixie Bob, featuring subtle highlights and layers at the back, is effortlessly sophisticated. 16. Blonde cropped pixie with shaved design. If you're looking for something bold and unique, this cropped cut with a shaved line detail is the way to go. The layered blonde crown adds volume and contrast, making this an edgy yet chic option for coily or curly hair textures. 17. Sleek silver pixie cut. Platinum and silver hues add an extra level of sophistication to short hair. This metallic shade is bold and striking, making it a standout choice for those who love to experiment with color. Keep silver hair looking fresh with toning shampoos that prevent brassiness. 18. Tapered crop with choppy layers. This close-cut style offers an effortlessly chic look that requires little maintenance. The tapered shape highlights natural hair texture while making morning styling a breeze. Regular salon visits will keep the cut sharp and polished. 19. Undercut Bob with chunky highlights. A modern twist on a classic bob, this style pairs a cropped undercut with bold caramel highlights. If you want to experiment with color without committing to an all-over change, this is a great option. 20. Summer ready. Short crop. When the weather heats up, a fresh shortcut keeps things cool and stylish. This low-maintenance chop is perfect for the warm months, exuding a carefree and effortlessly chic vibe. Final thoughts. Short hair is empowering, stylish, and full of personality. Whether you prefer classic pixies, voluminous curls, or bold colors, there's a short style out there that perfectly suits your look and lifestyle. If this list gave you some inspiration, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment sharing your favorite style, and subscribe for more beauty and hair tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.